This video is sponsored by ESR. Are you looking for a Qi 2.2 3-in-1 charger for your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods? ESR have got you covered. Let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with ESR's latest 3-in-1 magnetic charging stand for your iPhone 17 series. This is a stand that which you will be familiar with because I have featured it on the channel quite a bit. I also use these stands myself personally in a lot of my personal life. I mean, I have their boxes over there in the corner. My wife uses one of these and I also use one of these by our bedside. So when ESR reached out and said, Michael, we'd love to sponsor your channel and we have a new product, would you like to check it out? I was like, absolutely. This is the 3-in-1 magnetic stand. So this will charge your iPhone, this will charge your AirPods, and this will also charge your Apple Watch. So let's just break it down what we have here. So the stand has this base, which is really good for balancing. Then this beam up the middle is metal. So it feels really premium and it is really well built. Then on the top here, we have our Qi 2.2 wireless charging head. And I know what you're thinking, what's Qi 2.2? Basically, Qi 2.2 is Qi2 wireless charging, which is magnetic wireless charging, but it charges at 25 watts. So there you go. That's what it is. That is the too long didn't read answer to what is Qi 2.2. So I hope that helps. What sets this apart from other stands? Well, put it simple, this has CryoBoost technology built into it. So what is CryoBoost? CryoBoost is cooling fans built into the charging head because wireless charging, yes, it can get a little bit warm. When you're wirelessly charging, there is an escape of energy. It can generate heat on the charger side and on the phone side. CryoBoost is a little built-in fan which helps cool the device. It helps cool your phone. That's great. So if we just plug this in, you can see here we have this little blue LED ring. So the blue LED ring kicks in when you set something onto your device. So if I just take my 17 Pro Max and just set it onto the stand here, you'll be able to see you've got the blue glow hitting the back of the phone there. That means the fans have kicked in and it will blow cool air, right? So I know that is perfect for me, but what if that doesn't suit you? Well, there's a little button here on the bottom of the base where you can turn these fans off. If you do prefer absolutely no noise at night, that little button can turn the fans off and you have an option. However, I will say the fans are not noisy on these whatsoever. I did do a review of the previous version of this stand and I did do a fan test, and I'll leave you a little clip here of my recording of the fan noise to let you guys know just how loud or not loud it really is. Then of course we have our wireless charging pad here at the bottom, so this is perfect for the likes of your AirPods. So if you have picked up your new AirPods Pro 3 like I have, and let me tell you, they are slamming, they're rocking, they're, I don't know, what are the kids using these days? You know yourself. They're really good, which is pretty sweet. So you can just set your AirPods onto the wireless charging pad and they will wirelessly charge. No issues whatsoever. Now, with them being AirPods, AirPods also do charge using the Apple Watch charger, and in the box you do get this Apple Watch charger included, which just connects on via USB-C connection, and it has a little magnetic cap here. So if you are going to travel, you can actually remove this and take this with you, which I do on a lot of my trips because I like to sort of travel minimal. So if I take this with me, it means I can plug this into a battery bank, I can plug this into my MacBook, I can plug it into anything, and I can get a little bit of juice onto my Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. It magnetically covers the USB-C part when you're traveling, and then it can magnetically clip onto the back, which is really cool. And then you just clip it onto the back of your stand like so. And again, your AirPods Pro, or it can charge your Apple Watch. So I have picked up the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in black, and yeah, perfect. So here we have our phone, our watch, and our AirPods all charging at once. So what comes in the box? So while you have your 3-in-1 stand, it also comes with the Apple Watch charger inside the box. It also comes with a 50-watt power brick as well, which allows you to get those Qi 2.2 wireless charging speeds for your device, which is what you want to see. This is a product which I've featured many times on the channel, and again, like I've always said to you guys, if that wouldn't be something I'd be happy using, I wouldn't recommend it to any of you guys either. Do you know what? Do you see, for the value for this, it's actually pretty good. When you look at some of the other 3-in-1 charging stations, you know, when you go for that official Qi2 stand, I mean, everything, you're talking $100, $150 up to, I've seen stands out there over $200, which is pretty pricey. This little package comes in complete at $99. And in that, you're getting your 3-in-1 stand. So you're getting your CryoBoost technology, you're getting your AirPods charge, your Apple Watch charge. It comes with a 50-watt power brick and a USB-C cable, all for $99. That's pretty sweet. That's good value. That's hard to beat. And you know what? Like the hoodie says, no MagSafe, no party. You know yourself. So my final thoughts, would I recommend the ESR's new charging stand? Absolutely. I am using this currently myself. It is top notch for your iPhone 17. It will give you all the juice for all 3 of your devices without any issues. For its price point, it's hard to beat. It looks good and you've got loads of functionality. So yeah, it's a big thumbs up from me. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you pick up this stand, or are you considering picking up this stand? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, if you are looking to pick this up, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. And that about wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos coming for you, so stay tuned. And of course, if you want to see some more iPhone 17 related content, you can check it out right here.